Hey y'all, it's NovaJayde Beauty. To get started with your skin brightening scrub, you just want to have some plain white sugar. And then to that, I'm going to be adding some papaya powder. Papaya is great at lightening dark marks and reducing hyperpigmentation. It also stimulates collagen production, and it's good at promoting the healing of skin. Next is one of my favorite ingredients, turmeric. Turmeric is also great at lightening and brightening dark marks and hyperpigmentation, and also is great for reducing redness and skin inflammation. If you have sensitive skin or you want a softer scrub, you can omit this, but I'm going to be adding some sea salt because I want my scrub to scrub. For some added moisture, I'll be using some honey. Honey also helps with clearing out pores and with lightening and fading dark marks as well. To transform this into an actual scrub, we'll be adding some oils. So the first oil I'll be using is grapeseed oil. This is a nice lightweight oil that also helps with lightening and brightening the skin, and it helps with moisturizing as well. So me just being extra, because there's turmeric already in the scrub, I'm going to be adding some turmeric oil just to boost the lightening and brightening power of this scrub. And use the pipette, don't be like me and make a huge mess. So then I'm going to add some vitamin E, and vitamin E is always good when you're talking about lightening up scars or hyperpigmentation, and it's very moisturizing to the skin as well. So these are totally optional, but it does add a great scent to the scrub, and it also boosts the lightening and brightening power of it, as well as helping even cleanse the skin. So this is lemongrass oil I'm using first. I typically use an essential oil or 2 or 3 in every DIY that I make, but especially in the ones where I'm using ingredients like turmeric, where I don't typically care for the smell. This next one is grapefruit essential oil. In my opinion, citrus essential oils do the best job at covering up unwanted smells. I'm not using any particular measurements here. I'm just going to keep adding more oils until I get the consistency that I want. the more oil you use, the softer your scrub will be. So if you want your scrub to be really scrubby, then you will want to use less oil. So this is the perfect consistency for me. I like my scrubs on the harsher side because I like a deep scrub, but you can always feel free to add more oils to soften up your scrub some if that's what you desire. A word of advice when using scrubs like this, you either want to add a preservative or you want to be careful about introducing water into it, especially when you're using it in the shower, because it will go bad. Here I'm just showing you guys another way to use this scrub. If you would like a foaming scrub, I just added some Castile soap to it, and you see that it changed the texture some because now it's soapy. I really love how this came out. It's super easy and it's very, very effective. If y'all try this out, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like it or if you have any suggestions.